myself. Take me right back to the start.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Toxic JMD here, and I'm joined by NetherHacker9 and ScratchPlayzMC. If either of them want to talk.
I am.
Okay. And today we're going to be working on that completed grinded sketch once again. I've been enjoying working on them, and hopefully I'm going to have them done early next day or next year. So today me and NetherHacker is 5 hands and try and get this done. He's going to be doing all the middle and I'm going to be doing the edge. But you're going to want to get up there, aren't you? Right, so 114 from the edge, please, NetherHacker.
Sorry. I'm coming to help, Toxic.
If you could go 114 from the edge. And Scratch, you can probably help you in 2 seconds and grab the get some resources.
What do you want me to do?
So, did you want to be able to see this big
No.
whatever?
That's the idea. Yeah. 2 seconds. Where has Scratch got there? I'll just quickly dump some stuff on Scratch, come pick it up.
Me.
Now, Toxic, use your manners.
Let me go. Let me just dump all my stuff away.
So, how do you want this done, Toxic?
So just 114 from the middle with this, from the edge with the hard, with the terracotta.
Like that?
Yeah, from there.
And just keep going.
Yeah.
Also, basically mimicking the floor.
Yeah.
I've got a clear inventory now.
That's right, okay. Alright, so we should be able to get this going.
I need permissions.
So, that would help, wouldn't it?
See, NetherHacker, I can do it much faster than you.
Yeah, well, he can't speak.
What other spawners are you planning on doing?
It should be a few others like pig, chicken, ghast, wolf, ocelot maybe.
The ocelot will be a good one because that means that people will actually be able to get cats. Yes's one doesn't have that.
I'm not sure on the levels for the ocelot spawner though. So it might be a VIP only thing when I dig out my VIP area.
Will I obviously be in the VIP area?
Maybe.
I hope you build it, so obviously you'll let me in.
Depends.
I'll donate all the spawners to you instead of Yetta.
Not that it matters, I'm not trying to rival Yetta. I'm just trying to have a backup for if Yetta's goes down.
Why would Yetta's go down?
And Yetta agrees, like, if he does go down because of all the glitchy auto bans and all that, he would like a backup.
Is this literally what it looks like from above, but this one's in the sky?
Mine's pretty much similar design to Yetta's, just it's got the Warp Volcano theme. Warp Death Drum, sorry. Damn, SMP 2 days coming back. So it's 5 on each end. That's 4 there. So as we make our way around, it should start taking shape.
But how would Yes's grinder go down?
Oh, there's lots of reasons we can go down.
The what?
The debris prevention plugin files. That was pretty crash. Then there's gotta get spam. Because of the glitchy auto ban.
But then it would still be able to run, wouldn't it? People would still be able to use his grinder even though he got banned, right?
Yeah, but like, if it glitches out, like, because if you get a firm ban or something, it automatically clears your claims.
Then if that does happen, then one of us would go and grab the claim and save it.
Except pretty much all the dev team is Aussie. So if it went down during American time, we'd all be asleep.
I guess we do need some American dev team.
I think we've got like 1 or 2. Scratch will be American. Scratch is American.
I'm not.
Royal is American. Oh, not
I'm
so
not
much.
American.
Still. Why can't I just say the right name?
You keep getting us confused.
Where have I gone wrong? There. Hey, NetherHacker9 has lost the ability to talk and not to get my way. It's okay. We still need your help. I wasn't smart. Turns the video into a TPA year of NetherHacker9 montage. Could you actually become productive, please, NetherHacker?
Well, I'm not, because I can't.
Can you TP me again? Can you TP me again?
Really?
Sorry, I had to help someone that's building on my plot at the moment.
Why is I doing that? Oh, I really hate it when I mess up. That should be lined up now. Then we're going to actually have to time lapse this.
I've used up all of my stains terrible now.
Right, there's some more in here. I appear to be out of dark prismarine.
What does it look like inside of the spawn list? Could I see inside of one?
Go for it. Why do I keep running out of resources? Why aren't the resources available?
Well, I've got to go by.
Alright, well,
I'll still be. Well, I just can't help you right now.
alright.
I tried to fight alone. 'Cause sometimes we just don't know that we can do anything together if we just try. And as long as we have our backs, whenever our foes come by, this time we will win. This time we'll have to join forces. This time we will win. This time we'll have to join forces.
Toxic, what are you doing?
Looking for some ink stacks.
Okay. Why?
So I need some for some dark prismarine.
Yes. Dark prismarine.
I've got heaps of sacks.
Can I borrow some?
Yeah, sure thing.
Castles and dragons, the battle begins tonight.
It's not making a squid farm I'm going to need.
How many stacks do you need? How many stacks? How many stacks?
Can you bring some ink stacks over to me, please, Scratch?
How many? How many stacks? How many stacks?
How many stacks you want?
I just need one.
How many?
Scratch. Yeah.
Just one sack, Scratch.
Just one?
Yeah, just one.
I'll cut it out. Yeah, I'll cut it out.
Thank you guys for watching this video where I had a bit of a collab, a bit different, something. I would be recording a group outro, except as per usual, nothing goes perfect as per planned, and I've lost a whole bunch of my recording due to corruption. But anyway, just like to say thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please press the like button below. If you'd like to see more like this video, make sure you press that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See yous.